Hey folks, today we're outside of Charlotte looking at a property that was once the location of a horse riding and jumping place. Unfortunately, I believe the houses and barns were taken down recently. I did not get here in time, unfortunately, but we will walk the property, at least the front part here, and I'll have some flyover drone shots of the entire property. Most of it is just tall grass, but I am walking through the area that was the driveway leading up to the main house, and you could see basically there's not much here. There was some demo and heavy machinery in here about a month ago. Pretty much took everything down. You can see some plumbing and electrical kind of still remain, but this was the site where the house was. Towards the back here is where there was, I believe, a stable. I can't seem to locate it here, but this is where people practiced riding and jumping back here. If you look way off in the distance, you'll see another development. So this piece of property is actually in the center of 2 or 3 developments. It's across the street from a high school as well. This has been here for a while, and I guess, you know, I'm not sure what the circumstances were as to why this is no longer here, but there's just been so much development and growth in this area that this is a, you know, prime chunk of property. So yeah, there's not much to see in this area. Unfortunately, it took down the house, but I'm hoping that the drone video will kind of show you the property in its entirety. So I hope you enjoyed this very brief walkthrough of the location of the house, and I hope you enjoy the flyover video. Thanks for watching.